Welcome back to another what I eat in a day video. Haven't done this in a while, and especially I haven't done any of these since I moved to Paris, so I thought I would do one this week to kind of show you guys what I eat here and to kind of show you like what is it like to be vegan in Paris, how easy it is, and what kind of foods you can get here. Actually, I think being vegan in Paris is like super easy. Out of all the countries that I've ever been to, I think France might be one of the best countries to be vegan at. Like, it's just really easy, I think. Not necessarily like the national like French food, but like, the things and like the products that you can get here is really, it just really makes it easy for you to be vegan here. So yeah, I'm really happy to be vegan here because it's really easy. So yeah, I think today I'm going to make for lunch pumpkin and broccoli with tomatoes, something like that, something like fried veggies with pumpkin, because it's autumn, it's October, it's pumpkin season. I love pumpkin so much. I'm such a pumpkin person.
There's something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
Whatever that means. So yeah, I'm gonna make something like that today, so let's cook. I didn't film my breakfast today, but I eat the same breakfast every day. I always eat oatmeal with bananas and apples, so I'm just such a I just love oatmeal. Oatmeal is like just the perfect breakfast that you can eat, so I always eat the same thing for breakfast. So I didn't film it today, but if I film it tomorrow, it's gonna be the same. So yeah, let's cook. I'm just going to cut this in half and put it in the oven for like 40-30 minutes, and then I'm gonna make the rest of the meal while it is cooking. And then you just put a little bit of water under it and then just put it into the oven for like 200 degrees. Yeah, for like 30 minutes, and then it should be okay. Also, one thing, if you have a Marks and Spencer in your country, definitely go and check canned foods out, because they have like soups and vegetables that are totally vegan. And they cost like I think like €2 or something, like €1.50. And I'm eating this for like 3 years now. I mean, I'm not eating it like every day. If you're like lazy, I will show you. So this one is like chunky vegetable soup, and this one is chunky vegetable and the bean soup. And this tastes so good, and it's really cheap. And if you're lazy or like you just can't be bothered to cook, then just yeah, you can just eat it. Okay, I'm not saying that like canned food is like the way to go, but definitely I think like once in a while it's totally fine. If you're like lazy or tired or just can't be bothered, or you're busy and you have something to do and you cannot cook, then I think it's really useful to have like these type of things at home. Okay, I think I went to the Marks and Spencer that's close to Galerie Lafayette. I'm not sure, but anyways, I'm sure you can get it in every Marks and Spencer that has the food section. So if you have Marks and Spencer in your country, yeah, check it out, because it's really, I think it's super useful.
You can't take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it up.
So it's supposed to look kind of like this. Yeah, I think that's okay. And I think the pumpkin is also, yeah, it's almost done. Actually got even a little bit burning, but yeah, I think it's okay. So veggies are done, the pumpkin is done. So this is the end result, and that's for today. That's for tomorrow. And I'm gonna eat that now for lunch. Yay!
If the time is right.
Saturday now as usual, and I'm gonna meet a friend now and we're gonna go to a vegan and gluten-free restaurant. It's in the Le Marais area, so I'm gonna go there now, and I just thought that I would include this in the video because it is about like vegan food in Paris and what I'm eating in Paris as a vegan, so I thought I would include it. Also, I went to a restaurant yesterday. It's not a completely vegan restaurant, but it does have a vegan option, so I think I will also put the clip in the end of the video, or in the beginning after this maybe, just to show you guys what I eat that is vegan when I eat out in Paris. So that restaurant is called Veganfood, and this one is called Wild and the Moon, where I'm going now. So let's go. Hello! Yeah, I just wanted to do an outro. I just wanted to do an ending for this video. Just got home. We went to Wild and the Moon again, that you just saw. It was really good. Very good. Very good. Recommended. Very organic, all gluten-free, vegan kinda restaurant. So yeah, very good. I definitely recommend it. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, please give this video a like and subscribe if you did. And yeah, bye. See you later.